you're going to Disneyland Paris in the months of October, November or December, then you need to watch this video. My name is Marike and behind the camera is Mark, and you are watching Magical Vacation Guide. At Magical Vacation Guide we make videos to make your magical vacation even more magical. We share food tips, experience, etc. and we also have videos about how to enhance your vacation. And how do you do that? Well, prepare yourself. If you are going in the last few months of the year, in the Q4 of 2024, you need to prepare yourself. Because in this video, we are going to cover Q4's updates, attractions, highlights and whatsoever. There are two big seasons coming up, Halloween season and the most magical time of the year, Christmas season. And of course we're going to talk about the renovations, which attractions are getting closed, which attractions are open, so you need to stay tuned. If you like videos like this, definitely subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified when we upload a new video. And you need to, because we are going to the Halloween and Christmas season. So if you cannot be there these couple of months, you can still be virtually there. As you can see behind me, the pumpkins are popping up, and that means that Halloween is around the corner. From October 1st until November 3rd, you can enjoy the Halloween season here in Disneyland Paris. And what does that mean? If we are looking at the Disneyland Paris website and looking at what we have seen the previous years, I'm going to give you a small summary of what you can expect. So first of all, a lot of decorations, a lot of pumpkins, ghosts. It's going to be spooktacular. You can see decorations up in Main Street, USA and Frontierland. The other lands are not as covered as much as those two lands. There's also extra entertainment in the form of a show. Disney's Mickey's Halloween Festival. It is a hub show to celebrate the harvest season. And the Phantom Menace Ghost and the Bride, Emily Ravenswood, are also making an appearance in that show. And honestly, I think that show is so good, and that song, it's like C'est la vie, and it's such a party to celebrate the harvest season. Can you imagine that there's a golden sky, golden trees and plants everywhere, and then you have these Mickey coming out of Phantom Menace's house in a parade? It is amazing. And Mickey is changing outfits in that parade. Honestly, if you haven't seen it before, check out our video from last Halloween or stay tuned to see what you can expect for this year. There's also extra entertainment in the form of character meet and greets. You can always meet characters, but now during this season they have their special Halloween costumes. You can see Chip and Dale as Ghost, Goofy as a skeleton and Mickey as Phantom Manor. It is, well, the Phantom of Phantom Manor, and it's amazing. It is something different. There are also Halloween snacks. We have seen pumpkin cookies already, and there's always some merchandise. I'm always looking forward to merchandise. And there is also going to be a little addition to a current show. They are going to add a little something to an existing drone show. You know, the Disney's Electrical Sky Parade. They are going to add a little bit element of surprise onto that show with spectacular and very scary scenes. I don't know what to expect. I have seen some concept art of it. Don't know if it looks like that. Last year there was like this firework, well, projection pre-show before illuminations, before the main fireworks. But now they just added shows to the existing drone show. This is what we could find of Halloween, but definitely stay tuned because we are going in a couple of weeks. Can you imagine that only in 2 months there is going to be a huge Christmas tree of tens of meters high during the Christmas season. From November 9th until January 6th, you can enjoy the most magical time here in Disneyland Paris. There is not a lot of known, but Disneyland Paris has shared the program of the previous year, and more information will be known very soon. That's what they say on the website. So I'm very curious about what they're going to say. But what they did last year, they have decorations all over. They have Main Street is fully covered in lights and glitters and snow, and it's just amazing. Just look at these images that we made last year. It is truly magical. For entertainment, they have a show twice a day where the Santa Claus himself lightens up the Christmas tree here on Town Square. This Christmas tree, just imagine this Christmas tree. They have a little hub show. They had a little hub show. I don't know what they're going to do this year, but they had a little hub show. Then they went to Town Square, lit up the Christmas tree. They did that twice a day, and it was truly amazing. You can also meet Disney characters in their Christmassy, cozy, warmy outfits, and you can meet Santa Claus until December 25th, where you can share your deepest wishes for presents with him. The Christmas season is truly magical, and the snacks are also very enchanted. They usually have special Christmas snacks and food items. I have seen like this, well, on concept art, I think that they already shared it, but I saw like this Yule log with a bit of the color palette and the shape of Santa, and it looks amazing. If you want to see the merchandise, the shops are already filled with it. They're starting in September with Christmas merchandise, but I've seen amazing things. I have seen these little statues, I have seen some shirts, I've seen the cutest lounge flyback where it said "Mail to Santa." It is amazing. It is so incredibly cute. And there are also ornaments and the scented candle that just smells like Christmas. It is amazing. I cannot wait. We are going to Christmas season, and we are going to stay at the Disneyland Hotel during the Christmas season. Oh, that's amazing. I can't wait. And what makes it even better is that the Disneyland Paris Hotel, this is the first time that they're actually celebrating Christmas after their refurbishment, and we are going to see it, and you can too if you subscribe to our channel. And when you're going to Disneyland Paris, you sure want to know which attractions and shows and whatsoever are closed or open, and I'm going to share with you right now. In Disneyland Park, the following attractions are closed: Indiana Jones and the Temple of Pearl from September 16th until October 11th. Blanche Nash, which is the Snow White attraction, from the 4th until the 15th of November. Star Wars Hyperspace Mountain, only 2 days, 4th and 5th of November. Phantom Manor, the 18th until the 29th of November. And the Princess Pavilion from the 18th until the 22nd of November. But you can meet the princesses at a different, undetermined location. In the Walt Disney Studios parks, the flying carpets over Agrabah are closed from 8 January from this year until the 5th of November. So that will reopen after a whole time on the 5th of November. The shows that are closed in the Disneyland Park are the Lion King Rhythm of Surprise Land from September 9th until November 1st. And the Walt Disney Studios Park Disney Junior Dream Factory from September 1st, and the theater will reopen mid-November with a temporary show. Frozen Musical Invitation will be closed from November 4th until February 14th of the next year. And Together a Pixar Musical Adventure will be closed from November 4th until December 13th. So there will not be a lot of in Walt Disney Studios Park. And the swimming pools of the hotels are closed. Disney's Newport Bay Club September 30th until October 11th, and the Disney's Davy Crockett Ranch from 18th until the 29th of November. In Q4, there are a couple of things that you are used to but will not happen or will happen differently. For example, the Hop Show that you can see behind me, the Million Splashes of Color, will not continue during the Halloween and Christmas season and in between. The parade, Disney Stars on Parade, will have a different time frame. So always watch the app during your stay to see what is the most current program of the day. And here you are, now you are updated on what you can expect when you visit Disneyland Paris in the last few months of 2024. Can you imagine that it's already last months of 2024? I have the feeling that 2024 started like 3 months ago, but the summer has ended and we are going to the Christmas season and New Year's and Halloween. The time flies fast when you're having fun, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. And if you haven't subscribed already, definitely do, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Oh, and give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment it down below or reach us on Instagram @magicalvacationguide. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.